This detailed guide covers how to screen mirror iPhone to Samsung TV differently. And at the end of this video, we shall discuss some more tips on iPhone screencasting. Way 1. How to screen mirror iPhone to Samsung TV via AirPlay. Open TV settings. Enable Apple AirPlay in General Settings. Access Control Center on iPhone. Tap Screen Mirroring. Select your Samsung TV. Enter the TV code on your iPhone. Tap OK for screen mirroring. Way 2. How to screen mirror iPhone on Samsung TV with AirBeamt. Install AirBeamt on iPhone. Find your Samsung TV on the network. Accept connection if required. Press TV's OK. Using remote. Start mirroring by tapping Start Mirroring. Choose Mirror Samsung TV and hit Start Broadcasting. Way 3. How to mirror iPhone screen to Samsung TV via Samsung SmartView. Google Samsung SmartView. Install it on iPhone. Confirm both devices on same Wi-Fi. Open SmartView app. It'll find your TV. Select TV to connect iPhone. Share videos, photos, etc. on TV. Way 4. How to screen mirror from iPhone to Samsung TV via digital AV adapter. Connect lightning cable to iPhone. Plug HDMI cable into adapter. Connect HDMI cable to TV. Switch TV input to HDMI channel. Play media on iPhone to display on Samsung TV. Way 5. How to screen mirror iPhone to Samsung TV using 5Player. Install 5K Player on PC. Click AirPlay. Enable AirPlay service in Settings. Open iPhone Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring 5Player. Mirror iPhone to Samsung TV via PC. Extra. How to screen mirror iPhone to PC seamlessly. If you want to fully control your iPhone from PC with the keyboard and mouse, and even to exchange data, it's better to project your iPhone to your local PC. In this regard, we will offer Screen Mirror to help you get further. How to screen mirror iPhone to PC with Screen Mirror. Run Screen Mirror on PC. Connect iPhone on same Wi-Fi. Choose iOS on PC. Allow network access. Start screen mirroring in Control Center. Pair iPhone and PC via Bluetooth. Seamlessly manage iPhone on PC.